Sometimes it's friends.
Go, go, number one. Go, go, Thomas. Something good is gonna happen today. Hey, use your ears, use your eyes. Thomas is in for a big surprise. Behind the trees, far away, where nobody sees, lives an engine. James and Toby too. Gordon, Henry, Percy coming through. Thomas and friends making
Freddy.
useful crew. Go, go, Thomas. Thomas, no.
Neville.
Thomas, number
Molly.
one. Number one. Go, go, Thomas. Little blind.
Can you say
Hey, all the friends are helping him out. Now we get ready.
Salty.
James and Toby too. Gordon, Henry, Percy coming through. Thomas and friends making him. They're a really useful crew. Go, go, Thomas. Go, go.
Hockey.
Number one. Go, go, Thomas. Go, go, Thomas. Number one.
Theo.
Friends. Go, go, Thomas. Number one.
Donald.
Thomas. Go, Thomas. Number one.
The cover hat in his car.
Go, go.
Jack.
Thomas, go, go, number one.
Maxwell the Railway and Maxwell the Railway's handle.
Use your ears, use your eyes. Thomas is in for a big surprise.
Bell.
Everybody sees, gives an engine, hero by day. Thomas gonna help
Alfie.
with Emily, James and Toby too. Gordon, Henry, Percy coming through.
Hank. It's me, sorry everyone. I hope you enjoyed my Battle of the Railway show. And now, and the end to it. And now, thanks for watching it. I hope you had a great time watching it.